Your app's coolest feature might be a total accessibility nightmare. Think about progressive web apps, or PWAs. They're the best of both worlds, like a website and a mobile app had a baby. They can work offline, send you notifications, and feel super quick, all right in your web browser. But this awesome tech can accidentally shut people out if we're not careful. Take the app shell architecture. The basic layout loads instantly, then the content fills in. It feels fast. But for someone using a screen reader, if new content just pops in without any warning, it's completely disorienting. You have to announce those updates so they know what's happening. And offline mode? It's a lifesaver. But if a user is offline and tries to access something that isn't saved, don't just flash a generic error. Tell them, this article isn't available offline, but your saved drafts are. If they fill out a form, you have to let them know it's saved and will be sent later. Clear communication is everything. Even push notifications need this level of thought. They must be direct and to the point because a screen reader will read the entire thing and make sure they can be dismissed with a keyboard, not just a swipe. Ultimately, this isn't just about a technical checklist. It's about building a web that works for everyone right from the start. It's about making sure our digital creations don't leave anyone behind.